Good afternoon everyone, so I'm bringing you a quick review of a Sekonda ladies watch. This is the Sekonda 40480. It's a sort of a entry-level style sort of price watch really. Mum actually gave this to me to have a little look at. It's something she bought off of Amazon for around about sort of 25 to 40 sort of pound. And didn't want it anymore, so gave it to me to sort of hopefully get rid of. And so I thought, well, before I do that, I'll bring you a quick video sort of having a look at it. So yeah, this is the 48480. It's quite a sort of a bog standard watch with a sort of battery. It's battery operated, so it uses a standard SR626SW battery. So it probably lasts around about 2-3 years. Retails around about 24 to sort of 40 pounds. Doesn't weigh a lot really, probably under sort of 80 grams or so. Obviously, a full white dial here, fully housed inside a stainless steel sort of body. I'm unsure of the movement that's behind it, but when you order the watch, I think you get a 2-year warranty from Sekonda itself. So it's a pretty good sort of warranty on this sort of style watch, especially on sort of a cheaper sort of finish. So let's get a bit close to that dial. See if I can get my camera to focus on that properly. So we've got like a polar white sort of style finish on the dial with luminous hands and a nice sort of red seconds hand here. You also will notice that it's waterproof to 50 meters. You can see that on the dial just there. Non-luminous increments, they're just black sort of indents really, and nice little dashes going around the inside. Inside the actual main part of the actual casing itself that goes over the top is mineral crystal over the top of this watch. There's no physical markings inside there, it's just a plain sort of mirror effect to reflect back on the hands that are going on. So it's a very sort of functional watch, just tells you the time, nice and simple, but gives you that little bit of a touch to it in terms of the white and a little bit of red contrast going on. There's no sort of date dial or anything like that, just as it is, simple bog standard watch. So coming around the side of the casing, we've got sort of a mirror effect on the side there with a very similar sort of finish on the crown. That's consistent going all the way around the outside. There's no sort of model number or release number on it at all. Let's have a look at that crown. So it's a single position crown, he says. A little bit fiddly to move it out to the main position to change the time. But when you have moved it out there, it's quite simple to move, and you feel a good amount of quality in terms of the crown. It could be better, but it feels good for the price. It's probably because the watch is quite small. Got a cheap sort of clicking down mechanism, but it actually locks it in place pretty securely. That's fairly secure and doesn't wobble the hands around a lot. So coming out to the strap, we've got sort of a two-tone leather strap. So it's a leather strap with single holes, no enhancement on the holes to prevent stretch. This can be sort of a preferred way of looking at it because people don't like the holes to stretch. Some do, some don't. I like them to stretch a little bit so it fits a bit more in a tailored sort of way. So there's no enhancement there, no metal rings on there. The strap itself is quick release, so if you do get fed up with it, you can quickly snap on or snap off different style straps with these little lugs on the side here. Full sort of Sekonda print in the back. It's a very sort of bog standard leather style strap really from Sekonda. They don't differ that much unless you go sort of higher end with the pricing. One single holder to hold the strap in place when it's on your wrist. A polished finish on the buckle for the Sekonda printed sort of buckle system there. Seems to be held in place nice and securely. It's got a nice strong hinge to it. And finally, looking at the back plate, we've just got a plain mirror effect on the back, as you can see there, with the sort of Sekonda print and the Japanese sort of movement quote on the back there. We've got the model number and just a little more information about the watch really. Full stainless steel housing all around the actual watch itself. So there we go guys, that is the Sekonda 40480. I hope you enjoyed that and I'll see you on the next video.